Welcome back to Beautyistic, the place where we uncover all things beauty. Have you ever noticed Anne Hathaway's stunning red carpet looks, particularly her lips? Well, if you've ever wondered what lipstick she wears, you're in for a treat today. Anne Hathaway has always been known for her chic and timeless elegance. Whether she's attending a glamorous event or stepping out for a casual appearance, her lipstick choices never fail to impress. And while her makeup artist might switch it up depending on the event, there's one shade that's practically her signature: deep, bold reds. One lipstick she's frequently spotted with is the universally flattering NARS Audacious Lipstick in the shade Rita. This lipstick is renowned for its rich, full-bodied color and creamy texture that glides on effortlessly. Rita is a classic red with a slightly orange undertone, creating that perfect, dramatic lip that Anne is often seen sporting. It's a go-to for a reason, offering long-lasting wear and a high-impact finish that makes a statement without feeling overdone. But that's not all. Anne's makeup artist, Ashton, has also been known to choose shades from Chanel's Rouge Allure collection, which offers a range of intense, vibrant colors. The lipstick's rich, luxurious formula enhances the natural shape of her lips while providing a satin finish that looks flawless in any lighting. If you've been on the hunt for that perfect red lip to channel your inner Anne Hathaway, Rita by NARS might just be your new best friend. It's bold, it's daring, and most importantly, it gives you that instant touch of glamour. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to red lipstick? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, why not hit that like button and subscribe to Beautyistic so you never miss out on our latest beauty insights. Oh, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you're always in the know when it comes to beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you'll find something interesting in the next video to help with your beauty goals.